Hi guys, welcome to my study channel Study Special with Cases. Sorry for late video updating. There is a little message from me. This 2020 roast year for everyone, and this pandemic also slapped me by taking my father away from me. कोरोना को सामना करने से पहले हमें लोगों को सोच को सामना करना चाहिए। कोरोना को हेट करना चाहिए, ना कि लोगों को। शायद उस दिन कोई हमें हेल्प कर लेता, एम्बुलेंस था, फिर भी कोई भी मेरे पापा को एम्बुलेंस तक नहीं ले गए। एंड वो एम्बुलेंस में ना कोई ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर था, ना कोई हॉस्पिटल का आदमी। हम आधे रास्ते पे ही पापा हमें छोड़ के चले गए। उनको ना कोरोना था, ना कोरोना का डर। स्टिल ड्यू टू द नेग्लेक्टिंग ऑफ द सोसाइटी वी लॉस्ट माई फादर. That means I want to say that only we have to hate the disease, not patient. So careful, avoid corona, avoid crowd, boost your immunity. Main thing is motivate yourself, because motivation is always necessary for life. So never quit and believe in yourself. Let's start our topic, image formation by lenses and its ray diagram. Then it is our convex and it is our concave. In before class, I said that it is our f1, it is our f2 for convex. For concave, it is our f1 and it is our f2. And I also studied that how we determine which focus point is f1 and which focus point is f2. Okay, then it is our first focal length and it is our second focal length. Due to f2, due it is second focal length, due to f1 it is first focal length. Similarly, due to first focus point, it is our first focal length and it is our second focal length. The plane passing through to the focus point is called focal plane. Then it is our second focal plane and it is our first focal plane. Similarly, it is our first focal plane for concave lens and it is our second focal plane for concave lens. And remember, always consider the f2. What? Always consider the f2. For convex lens, f2 is this. So always consider this focus point. Okay. For concave lens, it is f2. So consider this focus point. So this f2 is real focus and this f2 is virtual focus. In plane, we studied what is real image and what is virtual image. If same side, then it is real. If other side, then it is virtual. For mirror, I always again describe. Same side, if object and image same side, then it is real. If object and image alternate side, then it is called virtual. But for lens, if object and image same side, it is called virtual. If it is different side, alternate side, then it is called real. Understand? Then we studied that for if the line ray parallel with principal axis, it is principal axis, then it is go toward the focus we studied and meet at focal point. If this case, when the incident ray is parallel to not parallel to principal axis, the incident ray, this is the incident ray, not parallel to principal axis, what will be there? Listen, here the diagram, it is the convex lens. Here the principal axis is this and the incident ray not parallel. According to our condition, it is refracted and go through the this. And when the ray is passing through the what optical center, there is no refraction, it is go through this. Then it may be not touch at focal point, but it touch focal plane. Okay. What is your conclusion? The conclusion is when the incident ray not parallel to principal axis, the incident ray meet with where? The focal plane. Similarly, in this for concave diagram, the incident ray is not parallel and it is the divergent. It have to meet where? Focus point, but here it meet the focal plane. Okay, understand? Only remember, when incident ray not parallel to the principal axis, it meet with not focus point, it meet with at focal plane. Okay. Okay. Then law of image formation. Then how we draw the ray diagram. It is our concept. A ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis. What is the first rule? Our first rule is when a ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis after refraction converges at second focus convex lens. For convex lens, what is our rule? Our rule is converge at second focus. It is the principal axis, it is the incident ray, and it is the convex lens. Okay. Then when the incident ray go parallel to the principal axis, it converges toward second focus. Understand? For concave lens, when the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, it is the incident ray, it is the principal axis. When it is parallel to the principal axis, it is what? It is diverge from second focus. Where is the second focus? It is the first focus, and it is the second focus. It what? Diverges to the second focus. Understand? Our first point is when the incident ray parallelly move with the principal axis. For convex lens, it is meet to the second focus. For concave lens, it diverges from the second focus. Okay, then second point. A ray of light passing through the optical center of the lens emerges without any deviation after refraction. Okay, then it is the convex lens, it is the principal axis. The ray of light passing through the optical center, you know, I already studied that it is the optical center. If any ray pass through the optical center, then there is no divergent or no convergent, there is no refraction also. It only pass through the, ये जैसे आया है वैसे ही चले जाएगा. नो डेविएशन, नो रिफ्रैक्शन. Okay, similarly for concave lens also, it is passed through the what? Optical center, then it no change its direction, it only go through straight. Okay, then third law, a ray of light passing through the first focal point, if a ray of, it is the convex lens, okay, the ray of light passing through the first focal point, the ray of light passing through the first focal point, then what will be happen there? The refracted parallel to the principal axis, the refracted line which moving parallel to principal axis. For concave what? A ray of light passing through the first focal point of convex lens is refracted parallel to the principal axis. Then it is the ray. If it, and it is the refraction, due to convex lens there will be what? Refraction, and it is the diverge, it is seems, ये ऐसे लगेगा कि जैसे ये F1 पॉइंट से डाइवर्ज हो रहा है. ड्यू टू द डाइवर्जिंग लाइट from F1 point, it moves parallelly to the principal axis. Okay, our first law is when it is parallel to through the principal axis, it convergent and divergent at the F2 point. If any ray passing through the optical center, there is no divergent. If the ray are seems like, ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा है कि ये F1 से डाइवर्ज हो रहा है, कि F1 से कन्वर्ज हो रहा है, कि F1 को F1 से लेकर गया है, देन ये क्या होगा? ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस से पैरेलली मूव करेगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? देन हाउ इमेज फॉर्मेशन और हाउ वी ड्रॉ the ray diagram. Listen, you don't want to by heart the वो टेबल, जो टेबल है कि जिसमें लिखा है कि इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पर होगा तो इमेज कहाँ पर होगा. तुम यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू द रफ रे डायग्राम एंड फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. ओके. देन when object between optical center and principal focus means f1. Understand? Then the object is between f1 and it is the optical center. The object is ab. Our first rule is the ray is parallelly moved with the principal axis. If it is moved parallelly with the principal axis, what will be happen there? It will converge toward f2. Okay. Then second point, if it is passed through the optical center, it moves straight line. Okay. Then see, there is any chance to meet this line? There is any chance to meet this line? No, there is no chance to meet this line. So if I increase from backward, if I increase it toward backward, then there will be chances for meet. Okay, there will be chances for meet, and there will be the meet, and it is our image. Okay. Then listen, object is this side, image is this side. Which type of this image? This will be a virtual. Okay. Then if that is virtual, I already said, if that is virtual, then always be erect. Okay. And from diagram you also see that it is erect. Okay. And it is the object size and it is the image size. Which is large? Image is large and that is magnified. Then if when the object between optical center and principal focus, the image will be formed beyond the object. It is the object and the image is beyond the object of same side. Understand? Then go for when the object at f1. It is the f1 and it is the object and it is the incident ray which is go parallel to the principal axis. According to first rule, it is converge at the f2 point, and it is the ray which passing through the optical center. There is no deviation, it go through the straight. Then listen, there is no chance of meeting in forward direction and also backward direction. There is no chance of meet at a point. So if the object at f1, the image at infinity. Okay. And this side is object and this side will be image at infinity distance. So object is this side, image is this side, alternate side. So it is called, I can call it is real. If it is real, then the image will be inverted. Okay. Understand? Always remember, if object is f1 on focus point, then image sure at infinity. Image sure at infinity. Okay. Then third point, when object between f1 and 2f1, we know it is the optical center, it is the f1. If I grow this side, if I let this side, then it will be the 2f2. And this is the object between f1 and f2. Okay. The incident line parallel to principal axis and converge at what? f2 point, and I can increase this line. Okay. And the ray which is passing through the optical center, it no deviated and it go through the in this way, and these two line meet this point. Here is your image. Then image object is this side, image is this side, then it is real image and inverted. And this side as compared to this side, size of object and size of image, the image is large, so I can say magnified. And when object between f1 and 2f1, the image form other side little away from 2f2. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट को मैं f1 एंड 2f1 के बीच में रखूँ तो इमेज कहाँ पर फॉर्मेशन होगा? 2f1 2 के थोड़ा दूर के बाद. ओके, देन फोर्थ केस, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज 2f1, मैं कहाँ रख लिया ऑब्जेक्ट को? 2f1 में रख लिया. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू रेग्राम, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ 3 लॉ, the ray is parallel to the principal axis is pass through the f2. Another ray is passing through the optical center, there is no deviation, they meet this. If I increase this line, then this point is 2f2 and this size also be equal to this size. Then when object is at 2f1, the image is for 2f2 and it have the same size. Due to alternate position of object and image, this is real and inverted. Understand? Simple way. If anyone asks you this condition, then put on your ray diagram and take a time for rough and get your answer. Then our fifth condition, when the object is beyond 2f1, this is 2f1, sorry, okay, beyond the f1, 2f1, if I place the object beyond the 2f1 के पीछे मैं एक ऑब्जेक्ट को रख लूँ तो क्या होगा? अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट लॉ, इट इज मूव पैरेलली एंड कन्वर्स थ्रू द f2 and the rays grow this way. According to the second law, if it pass through the optical center, then there is no deviation and these two rays meet at this point, and according as compared to this size to this size, it is small and the object is here and image is alternate side of object, so it is real, inverted and diminished. If the object beyond the 2f1, the image also between f2 to f1, f2 to f2. Okay, listen, f1 and 2f1 के बीच पर ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा तो इमेज कहाँ पर होगा? 2f2 के बाद में. ऑब्जेक्ट 2f1 में रुकेगा तो इमेज कहाँ रुकेगा? 2f2 में. ऑब्जेक्ट 2f1 की बियॉन्ड में रुकेगा तो इमेज किसके अंदर? f1, f2 एंड 2f2 के अंदर. अनदर पॉइंट क्या है? इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी, image will form at the focus point. If object at focus point, the image is infinity. Okay, then it is the condition when the object is infinity. The ray is parallelly and meet at f2 point. Okay, and it is the alternate side. Here side is object and here side is image, so it is real. Due to real, it is inverted and it is meet at a point, so it is highly diminished. What? Highly diminished. And the image is on f2. Okay. Then for concave lens, when the object at infinity, infinity means the image will form at where? Focus. No, there is no time to think. If object at infinity, the image is at focus. Then how? It is the infinity line. Infinity ray, there is object at infinite distance and it's the ray of refraction. Then due to the refraction, it is how? Deviated. It deviated meet at what? f2 point. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. And then देखो ये it is the incident ray and it is the point of refraction and it will be refracted, and if I divert then it will be meet at what? Point of f2. Then let another ray, it is the another ray, it is refracted. If I increase then it go through what? at the focus point, and here is the image will form. Listen, this side will be the object and this side will be the image. So it is virtual. If it is virtual, then it is erect, and it is the at point of f2, so it is highly diminished. Then when the object at infinity, in case of concave lens, the image will be formed at f2 point. Okay. Similarly, if the object between infinity distance and between the optical center, where will the image formation? Okay, let us consider a point where the object is placed. Okay, the incident ray is parallel to the focus point, so it is divergent from the f2. We studied according to the first law of formation, image formation. If the incident ray parallel with the principal axis, it is seems like diverges from f2, then it will the diverges, and it is the incident ray through the optical center, and it will be no divergent. Then these two ray meet at this point. Here will be the what? Object image. Due to same side, it is virtual. Due to virtual, it is erect, and if we compare this size, it is very small, diminished. And when the object between infinite distance to optical center, the image will form between f2 and optical center. Okay, this is our concept of ray diagram, image formation, the rule of formation of image by the lens. In next chapter, we will study the combination of power and different things. So it's your chapter, go through it detail, and remember, motivation is the key of hard working. तुम्हें हार्ड वर्किंग के लिए ऑलवेज मोटिवेट होना चाहिए. तुम्हारा सराउंडिंग में जो कुछ हो जाए उसको ध्यान में ना रखते हुए अपने वर्किंग को, हार्ड वर्किंग को, अपने पढ़ाई के ऊपर और अपने जिस चीज़ के उस्ताद थे उसके ऊपर हार्ड वर्किंग करने से तुम्हारा सक्सेस जरूर होगा. हाँ, डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाइए, वहाँ पर एक लिंक है, मोटिवेशनल लिंक, जो आपको जरूर मोटिवेट करेगा, ये मेरा आशा है. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड गुड नाइट.